Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris Aqua. On this channel I post video updates about gaining financial freedom. So if you are in for making money online or making money at all, then this is the channel for you. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to buy the Shiba Inu coin on Binance in Nigeria. It is no longer news that Nigeria has placed a ban on cryptocurrency trading with your bank account or your bank card, but in this video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to bypass that and get Shiba Inu token or any other token with your bank account without being flagged or without being questioned. So right now, this is the Binance app on my phone. This is the Binance app on my phone. If you are not on Binance yet, I will drop a link in the description of this video. That is a sign up link. Sign up through the link and you'll be getting 5% discount whenever you trade. You'll be getting 5% discount on fees whenever you trade on this platform. So let's get straight to using Binance. So right now, right here, this is what you get when you sign up. Ensure that you sign up and use your valid identity card. The NIN slip does not work with Binance. Use either your international passport or your voter's card. If you don't have one, you need to get it. So right now on the Binance app interface, this is the home page. You would see home, you would see markets, you would see trades right down here, you would see futures, and you would see wallets. So those are the five major buttons on this footer of the Binance app. So all you need to do is click on trades. You would see trades right below the footer, trades right here. So click on trades. So once you click on trades, you see different type of trades at the top, the header. You see converts, you see spot, you see margin, you see fiat, and you see P2P. So what we are interested in is the P2P. So once you click on P2P, this is the platform. Right here, you see merchants that want to sell coins to you, and these are the list of coins that are available for sale in the P2P market. We have USDT, BUSD, BTC, BNB, ETH, NGN, and DAI. So right now, if you want to buy from these people, all you need to do is ensure that the toggle is on buy. Then if you want to sell, all you need to do is ensure that the toggle is on sell. But right now, by default, whenever you click on the P2P market, it will bring you the buy option. And probably if you have a crypto to sell, then you can choose the sell option and everything turns red. So guys, I made a complete video tutorial on how you can buy cryptocurrency on Binance using the P2P without getting scammed. So I'll drop the link of the tutorial in the description. Ensure that you watch it in details. So now if I want to buy, what we need to do is to buy BUSD or USDT. Those are stable coins. So BUSD or USDT. Currently the default is on USDT, but I want to buy BUSD. So once I purchase BUSD, I can now convert it to Shiba Inu token. So right now these are traders that are willing to sell me their coins. So this is my criteria for choosing a trader. First of all, I would look at the percentage here and the number of trades. Then I would look at the verification badge here. So right here, I always ensure that the percentage is over 90%. I ensure that the percentage is over 90%. Like this person has 0, so I'm never going to trade with that person. He has a high tendency of scamming me. This person has 0 trades, so I'm not going to trade with that person. But if you look at this person here, he or she has 100, but the trade volume is low, 10 trades. All right, I might come back to that person later. But this particular person here has 98% ratings, and the person has carried out 997 trades. With the fact that he is a verified user, that means he's a go-to merchant. So all I need to do is, you can see the rate 510 naira per USD. That's the amount he sells his own coin. So all you need to do is click on buy from whoever meets the criteria. Don't forget to watch the video to know the details. So once you click on buy, then you can see, enter the amount of crypto you want to buy. You can either buy by fiat or buy by crypto. So you enter the amount you want to buy, and the rest is each history. So look at the trade info here. Right here, the release time is 15 minutes and the like. So just watch the video tutorial. I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can have a better insight of how this P2P market works. So you input the amount you want to buy, and the rest is history. So I already bought $50 worth of BUSD, and it's currently, once you buy your BUSD, it is going to be released into your peer-to-peer wallet. So there are different types of wallets. Just at the footer section below, at the bottom right corner, you would see wallets. So if I click on wallets, you see different types of wallets we have. We have the spot, the margin, the future, the P2P, and other types of wallets. You can always see them at the top. You can see right here. So where we traded right now was the P2P wallet, the P2P wallet. So once I click on it, I already bought my coin, already bought my BUSD. So you can see this is the amount of BUSD available, 49.99. That's equivalent to $50 that I bought. So all I need to do now for me to trade the BUSD for the Shiba Inu token is to transfer this from the P2P wallet to my spot wallet. So all I need to do is click on transfer. Click on transfer here. So once I click on transfer, I click on transfer again. So you can see from P2P to spot wallet, and it can be vice versa. So all I need to do is change this from BTC to BUSD. So I scroll, I search, click on BUSD. So you can see the available balance in my peer-to-peer wallet is 50 USD. So, and I want to transfer everything. If I don't want to transfer everything, all I need to do is to click on this box here and input the amount of BUSD I want to transfer. But in my case, I'm transferring everything, so all I need to do is click on max right here. Once I click on max, it automatically input $50. So all I need to do is click on transfer at the bottom. You can see transfer is successful. If I refresh this page, you can see I don't have any coin left right here. So all I need to do is to scroll down back to my spot wallet to check. So this is my spot wallet here. So once I click on it, I check. You can see before I had about 60 something dollars. Right now it's 107. I think, yeah, 107. So now that we have our coin, our BUSD that we bought from the P2P market, all we need to do is click on trades at the bottom of the page. You can see at the bottom of this page, on any page you are, this will always be the footer. So you can see trades down here, not markets, trades. So all I need to click on is trades. So you can see this is the sports trading. They call it sports trading. And right here you would see different, this is the different functions right here. So all you need to do is we go straight to the point, and if you want to do the same for other coins, this is still the same steps you carry. So all you need to do is click on this pair. They call it pair, yes, crypto pairs. You see UNFI/BUSD. That's what's on my own page. It can be different on your own page, but just click on it. So once you click on it, you would search. You can search. So the token we want to buy is SHIBA. So you click on SHIB. The short form is SHIBA. So remember, we have USD, we have BUSD. We bought BUSD. So all you need to do is to click on SHIBA BUSD. I didn't mean we had USDT. All you need to do is click on SHIBA USDT. I didn't mean we have all those currency. That's what we are going to choose. So we have SHIBA BUSD. So I'm going to click on SHIBA BUSD. So once I click on it, it takes me to the trade room again. So I would need you to be very focused right here and pay attention. So now that we have our SHIBA BUSD here, if you don't have it here, ensure that you have it at that top. So we are selling. If you want to buy, we are buying. So if you want to buy, click on buy, and if you want to sell, you click on sell. Once I click on sell, you see everything turns to red. That's if you have SHIBA INU token and you want to sell. So go back to buy. Now be very careful here. Right here, you need to change this from limit to market. Those are different types of trade orders. So once I click on limit, I change it to market. Ensure that you do this so that you can buy at the market price, at the current price. So once I click on market, everything changes. So right here, you would see amount and you would see total. This is amount and this is total, and you can see BUSD. So currently is in total. So if I click on amount, it will change it to SHIBA. So like how many SHIBA or how much SHIBA do I need to buy? But in my case, I'm using the BUSD as my I'm using the BUSD as my own mode of measurement. So I can go back to total. So how much SHIBA am I planning to buy? So let's say I want to buy 50. So all I need to do is click on 50. Since this is BUSD, if you click on 50. So once I click on the box, I input 50, and have it in mind that my available BUSD share is about 107. So once I buy, it is going to reduce. So once I click on 50, all I need to do is click on buy SHIBA. It's straightforward. Click on buy SHIBA. So you can see the success message on the screen, and right here my coin has reduced to 57.8 BUSD. That's US dollars. So that's all. That's how to buy SHIBA. Now let us see if our SHIBA has been added to our wallet. So right here at the footer, you'd see all market trade futures and wallets. So right down here you'd see wallets. So just click on wallets. This is the spot wallet. Refresh, and this is our SHIBA INU token right here. This is our SHIBA INU token right here. So guys, that is how to buy SHIBA INU token in Nigeria using the Binance app. So thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If this video has been of help to you, please do well to share with your friends or your acquaintances. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I post gaining financial freedom updates. I post making money online updates also, and I also post digital helps and digital reviews. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.